Took some cedar boards up today on our Hudson sawmill to make some bee boxes. Trying to make our own bee boxes. Got a bunch of beehives. I got over 100 of these logs that's already cut down. We're making lumber out of it to make some bee boxes. Had this thing now ever since COVID. I'm pretty impressed with it. Other than if you got to change the belt, you got to pull this whole pulley off, but you got to realign everything, and that's a real pain in the ass. But I guess it's better than not having one. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and I appreciate all my new subscribers.